Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta Exchange. My trip to Chennai has been postponed by one day. So today I'm staying in Bangalore. So that's why today also I'm doing only audio podcast. From tomorrow video will resume. Coming back to markets, US futures are slightly higher. Looks like today also US market will open at all-time high. But things are not really looking very good in India. Over the weekend, Reliance Industries, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank came out with results. Looks like Reliance and ICICI Bank results are good. HDFC Bank result is not really up to the mark. So they were expected to announce bonus as well as additional dividend, special dividend. The special dividend is declared at rupees 5, that is below the market expectation. A bonus issue, is just only to improve the market sentiment. So otherwise, people always say, I take 100 rupee note from you and I give you 250 rupees note. No, that's not actually any big reward. But only thing is, if the price is lower, very small people can come and play, but then that is insignificant. So today we need to see how these three stocks are going to react. As I always say, that just after the market results, market reaction is not actually based on the results, it's based on the positioning of the players. So say, for example, if HDFC Bank, people have heavily shorted, even if the results is not good, HDFC Bank can go up. So, vice versa. Assume that Reliance result is very good, but by expecting such a good results, if people have taken huge long position, they may unwind and then the stock may fall. So it is going to be very difficult to predict how these three stocks will be moving. And GIFT Nifty indicating just a flat opening. So the same thing, because GIFT Nifty is also confused what will happen to these three stocks. So it is in total confusion. As I told you yesterday, you have to keep watching for on a closing basis. Nifty should not close below Friday's close. On an intraday basis, Nifty should not fall below Friday's low, Friday's intraday low. So otherwise, things might get into some kind of a trouble. Now all the markets are going to all-time high. If you are doing like this, what will happen if all other markets start correcting for one or the other reason? And remember, still this tariff uncertainty is still not over, and even India never speak against America, but even India also has not signed any treaty with America so far. So this means that the America, might be putting some unreasonable conditions. Even the countries like India do not agree with them. So this tariff issue may continue even for another 1 month. That Trump says August 1 is the deadline. If people do not sign any agreement, the new tariffs will come. So therefore, next few weeks is going to be important. And moreover, in US markets, there is no reason for that market to keep moving higher with this kind of uncertainties. But looks like corporate results are good in America. So here, our corporate results, so far, nothing has been very good. Reliance is good, but I do not know how much it has been factored in the markets. So ICICI also not really very bad. So let us see where the market goes. So as I told you, technically today Nifty might turn bearish, but anyway the confirmation will come today end of the day. So today evening I will be able to tell you give you a better picture. So otherwise, people are still hoping Nifty will recover, and that's why they are holding the 25,000 put. Of course, they might have sold some extra calls to manage the things, but still, people believe that Nifty might, go back above 25,000. So very, very important. Today, Nifty must close above 25,000. Otherwise, Nifty may be in trouble for short term. So from now for the next few days, there are no important key results. So probably the next key result is Infosys. And then after that, other things will start like, ITC, Hindustan Unilever, those kind of stocks. I think this week, Infosys and Nestle are the two key results. Of course, Nestle is not an index heavyweight, but Infosys is an index heavyweight. So let us see where the market goes today. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.